Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. I have a new addition to my car from IPOW and I love it. I really appreciate how this phone holder is so versatile. You can have this in any particular way that you like. It's really good for different angles. If you're short or tall, you can move it up and down and even sideways. And I do love how you can use just one hand to put your phone in and it just goes in right easy. And it turns horizontal, so you can put your phone in that way also, depending on what you like. And it's so easy to put on. You just squeeze the two levers in the back and then attach. And it fits any different rear view mirror because it is expandable. So perfect. So if you're searching for a way to hold your phone so you can be hands-free, then you will love this phone holder by iPow. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.